Welcome! I'm making a new world to show you the newest danger of Minecraft, called the Blue Pit of Death. I'm going creative so I can get the necessary device that I need right now. Change to super flat. Wait, see him later. There, we got super flat. Now I'm going to here. And need some TNT. And flint and steel. Okay, now I got my flint and steel. Now I'm going to show you what happens. Okay, I don't know if I got it. Nope, I didn't, but I'm really close to it. See this bedrock? If you beat the bedrock, then you get this blue square. Let's make it bigger. And now, if I walk into it, it turns dark, I start getting attacked, and then I die. See, I randomly die for no apparent reason. I just respawn, and then it's gone. Let's check out that village later. Well, yep. I'll see you later. Clay Matthews outro.